Hello guys, and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to present PowerPoint using Google Meet. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go here on our Google Meet and open our PowerPoint presentation that we want to present in our Google Meet. So once that is done, all we have to do is to click this button right here. So just click present now. And then just click this presentation right here. So just click it and then click share. So once that is done, as you can see right there, our window is now shared on our Google Meet. So the next thing that we need to do is to go on our presentation on our PowerPoint and then click present right here. And as you can see, it is now on full screen. And if you go back here on the Google Meet, as you can see right there, it is also now on full screen. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.